Good evening.
Hello.
What is your name?
Annie.
Annie, how old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Are you nervous that you're here?
A little bit, yeah.
I love how you look. I love your outfit.
Thank you.
Are you Australian?
Yes, I am.
That's a long journey.
Yeah.
Did you bring your family with you?
Yes. Down there.
Hello.
Well, we're very excited that you're here. What are you going to do today?
I'm going to be singing.
So how long you've been doing this?
Since I was about 7 years old.
Okay, so let's see what you can do. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Go, Annie. Come on, baby girl. Come on, you can do it. You're so cute.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. Never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again, all again. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you left me dead when I was passing by, and now I beg to see you dance just one more time. You make me wanna cry, and now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, yeah. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again. Dance for me, oh. Never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, yeah. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again, all again.
Hey YouTube, I'm Sofia Vergara. Thank you for watching. Why don't you subscribe?